Another change we have done to the application is to this tab. We call it color generation. It was called black generation in version 4. With that color generation change, we mean that we do not only make the separation for the gray balance and for the black point in this area, but as well how and which channels we are using. There is a new feature here called used channel, and this feature allows to say which channel of the, in this case, 4-color profile you want to use in your profile. For example, if I click on the cyan channel here, I dismiss the cyan, which means I create a CMYK profile which only uses magenta, yellow and black. We see it here in the black point as well. There's no cyan anymore. And the gray balance is built out of magenta, yellow and black now. And what that means and why this is helpful, I can show you as well in some profiles that I've built. Let's go back to Photoshop, and I'll close this one and this one. So let's take this image. These are 2 images from the Roman 16 sets of images. It is an ECI RGB profile assigned to that, and if I'm converting those 2 images to the target profile, CMYK profile, and I'm looking to the channels, then obviously all 4 channels are used, including cyan. If I create a profile with the exclusion of the cyan channel, this is this conversion here, then you see there's no cyan used anymore. So the channel cyan is not used, but the color appearance is very similar to the original profile. Obviously, this will work in areas where cyan is not that important. Then in this image, where in that green, we need a little bit of cyan. So if we switch between this one using cyan and this one, we can see a little bit of a difference here, but still the overall appearance is very nice. But here in the brown image, we nearly don't see a difference. So it's very close to what we have in using all the 4 channels. So this can be very helpful for our packaging clients that often have the requirements, for example, in a brown chocolate package, to not use cyan in order to get richer colors or less noisiness less noise into the separation. Manually removing cyan from an image can be quite a burden. With the profile that we built here in CoPrA, this work can be tremendously shortened.